Here we are out at the parking lot in Gladewater, the high school. About to do testing on the X-Shine drone. Um, and I say good afternoon, Carnivore Cave, and happy Father's Day. I just wanted to do, I forgot one battery. I left it at home. So I'm down to one battery, which is should give me 16-minute flight time. Right now it's on, it's just sitting there, but I'm gonna give this a shot and do a following me mode and a circle me mode. What else was I gonna do? Basically those two things. I figured out how to do it. So yeah, start, do a screen record here. Okay. Back to this. I'm going to record the drone flying off here, so put it down right here. Okay, so let's calibrate. But it's so bright out here.